Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the wrong location on Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to correct inaccuracies in your map location so you can navigate with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is your gateway to accessing all Google services, including Maps, just like opening the front door to your home. Next, click on the app's icon, which is typically represented by a grid of dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This will reveal a menu of Google services. Think of it as your toolbox, where you can select the right tool for the job. Now click on Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can explore locations around the globe similar to flipping open a detailed atlas. Once you're in Google Maps, search for the address or location you want to fix. Type the name or address into the search bar and hit enter. This step is crucial, as it helps pinpoint the exact location that needs correction, much like zeroing in on a specific page in a book. After locating the address, look for the option that says Suggest an Edit. This is usually found in the information panel on the left side of the screen. Clicking this option allows you to propose changes to the location. Think of it as raising your hand in class to share a correction. Next, select an option that's available and relevant to the issue at hand. You might see choices like Change Name or Other Details, Change Location, or Close or Remove. Choose the one that best fits the correction you want to make, just like selecting the right ingredient when cooking a recipe. Finally, tap Done and then Send. This submits your suggested edit to Google for review. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, as Google will need time to verify your suggestion. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fix the wrong location on Google Maps. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your navigation experience and help others find the correct location as well. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.